name is John. No. Oh dear, I'm sorry for that. Oh, you naughty children. Oh, I'm very sorry about that. They're never gonna do it again, I suppose so. Today we're gonna have a burping competition. And now the burping competition begins. Hello everybody, this is the burping competition. And now I present to you Mickey Mouse. 1, 2, 3. Now I present to you John from Nine. Burp. And now I present to you Mrs. Fire I Poop. Oh, that idiot, I knew he would screw up. But now it's my favorite person that's coming up on the stage. 1, 2, 3. And this is your prize for winning the burping competition. Oh, thank you. Nom nom nom. The end.